Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Now I've been sending money from PayPal to Payoneer without any problem for a very long time, and I'm going to show you guys step by step, like I said, on how you can link your Payoneer bank account to PayPal so that you can send money from PayPal to your Payoneer account. Now I'm going to show you guys right now how you can do this. Now first, let me just log into my Payoneer account right now, and then I will show you guys how you can send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Now I'm going to search for Payoneer, as you can see, and I'm going to click on login. But first I am going to change language to English, and then I'm going to click sign in again. As you can see here guys, you wanna click on sign in. Now after guys you log into your Payoneer account, as you can see, this is my Payoneer account, and yeah, I just sent money. As you can see, I use this is just for videos. I have my other Payoneer accounts. Now what you guys need to start sending money from PayPal, as you can see here, to Payoneer. Now this is very easy and quick. What you guys need, you just need to link a Payoneer bank account to PayPal. Now how you can do that? It's very simple, okay? You just need to search for, as you can see here, if you search for Payoneer cards, you will find your cards, okay? Now if you click, for example, on bank accounts, okay, as you can see here, bank accounts. If you click on bank accounts for withdrawal, you will find here your bank account that you use to send money from Payoneer to your bank account. Now if you click on receiving accounts, you will find here all the bank accounts that you can link to your PayPal. Now like I said, this is a quick tutorial. It's easy, okay? It's not a complicated thing. You just need to select here bank accounts, and then you want to click on receiving accounts, okay? And here you want to scroll down and you will find USA bank accounts. Now if you live in UK and you want to send money from PayPal to your UK to Payoneer, but your PayPal account is being created in UK, you want to select here UK bank account, okay? It gives you guys source code, account number, and then you can go to PayPal and start, like it's like you are trying to link your local bank account. Do the same steps. They will ask you guys for your account number and routing number. You just need to get these information from Payoneer, okay? Like I said, if you live, for example, in any other country other than UK, like for example Europe, you want to select a USA bank account, okay? After you get the dollar currency inside your Payoneer, you can always convert that dollar currency to euros or any currency you want. Now like I said, only for people who live in UK, you have to select UK bank account, because they will not be able to link USA bank accounts if you have a UK PayPal. Now like I said, you want to go to select your USA bank account. As you can see, this is routing number and this is the account number. This information they will be asked by PayPal when linking a bank account. Now let's say that you have entered this information and PayPal is not accepting to link PayPal to this Payoneer account, to your Payoneer account. Now what you need in this case, you want to contact Payoneer and then ask them guys to add a federal savings bank. Now this bank is being accepted by PayPal 100%. This doesn't mean this USA bank account is not going to be accepted by PayPal. Some people they will get lucky and then it will be accepted. Or you want to call PayPal and tell them, hi, you are trying to link a bank account but it says there an error or something like that. Now, but if you don't want to contact PayPal, just contact Payoneer and tell them, hi, I would like a federal savings bank, okay? And you will add that bank here, and then you want to start linking that bank to Payoneer, and then you will receive dollars. Okay, and then you can withdraw money from Payoneer to your local bank account or whatever. Okay, in case you don't accept USA bank accounts. Now, if you have any questions, I have been, like I said, I have a lot of experience with linking PayPal to Payoneer. Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Let me know what is your problem. I will reply to you guys with a solution. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.